Hello students, today our topic is bellflower. For that we require one origami paper and one pencil. So let's start to make bellflower. First we have to fold in a triangle shape. Give the proper crease. Now unfold this paper. Again fold the one more triangle from another side. Give the proper crease. Now fold the paper in rectangle shape and give the crease. The same thing, we have to fold the paper from another side in rectangle shape and give the crease. Now unfold this. Now first we have to fold the triangle. We fold one more triangle. Now we have to hold the paper like this. Now we are making square like this. The same thing we are doing from another side also. We hold the triangle like this and we will open this part and we will press, so it become a square. So we got the two square. Now we have to keep the open part up, and from the closed part, this is the closed part, from that closed part we have to fold the triangle till middle line from both the side like this way and giving the crease properly. The same way we are doing here also, giving the crease properly. Now turn the paper. The same step we will follow here. This is the open part and this is the closed part. So we are folding the triangle till middle line from the closed part like this way. From here also like this way. Now from this open part we have to fold again triangle till middle line. I am taking one part only, can you see? And giving the crease. The same thing I am doing here. And giving the crease. The same thing I'm doing. I will turn the paper and I'm folding the same steps till middle. I'm folding the paper from both the side. Now it's look like a Kaju Katri shape. Can you see? Now this is done. Now we have to fold the triangle from the corner like this way and giving the crease from both the side. The same thing we are doing here. We are folding the triangle from the corner like this way and giving the crease. The same thing we are doing, the same thing, giving the crease. This is done and giving the crease. I'm pressing also. Now we have to unfold this part and we have to open this part like this way. We have to put our finger inside. We have to open this part and you have to put our finger inside and press it like this way. Like this way we have to open from both the side. Now turn the paper. We follow the steps. We unfold these parts and we will put our finger inside and press it. The same thing we will do here. Now press it. So all the parts are open. Now what you have to do, we have to take this white part from the middle. We have to fold like this and giving the crease. The same thing we have to fold the same thing here. We have to do the same thing here and give the crease. From here also, from the middle we have to fold the part like this and give the crease. The same thing from here also. Now this is done. Now with help of the pencil we have to turn this part like this way. This way. From here also from here also, from here also, and from here also. So our bell flower is now ready. This is the bell flower. Now you have to make the trunk and leaves, and you have to stick.